Well, what happened in court today for me with lockdown, well, I spent a long time in there, got there at 10 o'clock. The case wasn't heard till after lunch. There's a lot of sitting around, so you can either choose to sit in basically outside or go and sit in a gallery and hear other cases that have been brought before the prosecution. And I have to say that I did hear one that was quite shocking. I don't want to talk about it, but let's just say there's not really much empathy for certain people's situations, for sure. So they showed evidence, they call it evidence of me being in the park with other people. And funny enough, the evidence that they showed you me being literally by myself with no one around me. So they couldn't really use the rule of 15 anyway, or I'd broken the rule of 15, because you got a tape measure and measured it. The nearest person to me was probably 2 metres away, and after that there was no one. So what's happened is, because whoever it is that uploaded the video, it's not, the video itself wasn't date stamped, and just because the video was uploaded on a certain date didn't prove that any actual event took place. So they're two things of a different nature. Is your case is only as good as the evidence that you've got. So if you haven't got concrete proof, then there's nothing that they can really do about it. So what happened was that the case was dismissed on the lack of a date, or a confirmed date of when the offence took place. So, for example, if their COVID regulations of Northern Ireland state that from what date to what date you were not allowed to do this and you were not allowed to do that, and they could have confirmed that the business in the park took place between those dates, then they could have perhaps done something about it, but they could not. So for anyone that's involved in a case similar where video evidence is being used, then the video actually has to be of the date when the alleged offence took place, not on the date of upload, which is two totally different things. So, as the song goes, crossing that bridge with the lessons I've learned, playing with fire, not getting burned. Have a nice day.